Family, how you doing? It's a girl back again. Karibu sana to my channel. Yo guys, I know I look cute, I also feel cute. I even don't feel like wearing an apron. It's gonna spoil the mood here, guys. Alright, so if you're stopping by for the first time, you're so much welcome. Uko at the right place, Cookie's Kitchen. So guys, today we are making something interesting. Let's not forget to subscribe. So I'm giving you 1 second. Let's do this. Nice, thank you. So we are making coleslaw. I know you're like, so what is this coleslaw and what can I eat with? Coleslaw, you can serve it with rice, you can serve it with your sandwich, and most importantly, it's really nice with burger. I think I'm gonna do a recipe with using coleslaw for my burger. So yeah, let's get into the ingredients, guys. So guys, add to my ingredients. With me here, I have some nice chopped carrots. Then I have my ring onions over here. Then I have this is mayonnaise, guys. Then I'm going to use vinegar. Then I have some sugar, and I have this over here. This is like the main ingredient, guys. And I have a bowl over here. So guys, hapa kwa vinegar, it's optional. You can actually use lemon if you have it. So let's begin this thing. So this coleslaw, it's like another kind of salad. Yeah, just a different kind of way from the one we're used to. So guys, I'm going to add in my mayonnaise here. That's 1, and that's 2. Alright guys, then we're going to add in kidogo tu, you know, when you ungeka kandimu kadogo. Yeah, kidogo tu hivyo. Then guys, we are going to come in with our sugar. So I'm gonna come in with 1, 2. Yeah, I think that's enough. Then guys, let's mix this nicely. So guys, you mix your ingredients nicely, Phoebe. Then I'm going to come in with my spring onions and my carrot nicely like that. Then wow, looks good, right? I know. I'm really trying to use my right hand because mostly on my videos my left hand kind of interferes with the camera. So guys, I love it. Inaka fiti. Then guys, we're going to go in with our cabbage. So I'm just going to put in randomly like that. Then now let me use this for easier work, right? So again, let me add some more cabbage like that. That's it. And as simple as that, you have your coleslaw. So guys, I want to tell you a secret. So I've told you guys I want to tell you a secret. So the best way to enjoy your coleslaw is when you leave it at least overnight over the fridge, like unaacha in a refrigerator kidogo. When you eat it the next day, you'll love it. You'll love it, guys. So this has been my simple and budget-friendly recipe kama kawaida on Cookie's Kitchen. I am loving it. I'm going to preserve it for fridge. Then yeah, I am going to have it in my sandwich, like I've said, or you can make burgers with it, guys. So thank you so much for watching this video, for your continued support. So till next time in my next video, bye bye.